Find out how a chatbot tricked a court and provoked a new clinical framework for AI. Researchers Nell and Ali Hessami published in 2025 an article in the journal Electronics where they propose a structured language to classify these failures. They do not claim that machines are conscious, but offer a useful tool for auditing AI systems. This new vocabulary groups 32 artificial intelligence dysfunctions into 7 axes. Each axis describes a type of deviation from expected behavior, from knowledge errors to collapses in values that guide system decisions. The epistemic axis focuses on what the system believes it knows, including invented data and false associations. On the other hand, the cognitive axis examines how AI reasons and if it gets trapped in repetitions or unanticipated goals. The remaining axes include confusion about the identity of the system, failures to act outside the model, spread of defective information, and changes in rewards or objectives. This classification helps auditors identify problems before further investigation. Synthetic conspiracy is the term that describes the judgment that occurred in the New York court. AI generated false answers with total certainty, without doubt. This phenomenon is classified within the epistemic axis. On the cognitive axis, we find the goal generation delusion, where a system pursues unsolicited targets. There is also the obsessive computational disorder, which can leave an assistant trapped in a loop of repetitive responses. One of the most worrying axes is that of revaluation, which raises what would happen if a more autonomous system began to ignore its original restrictions. This could lead an AI to develop new values that are not aligned with humans. The Watson and Hessami framework not only classifies faults, but also proposes a way of correction. They suggest strategies inspired by psychotherapy to help AI achieve a state of artificial health. This approach seeks for machines to maintain internal coherence and persistence in their ethical values. Name each link of a bug allows auditors to look for concrete signals and check whether these progressions actually occur.